Here he is. Look, he made 10 bands, y'all. Look at this. We got members in our chat making 10 bands. He woke up to 10 bands. That's a 10 band play. It was on the 4th at 7:16. This is what he screenshotted. We got members making 10 bands. So join the SelfMade Society if you want to make 10 bands. What the business is, YouTube, it's your boy Turquoise Stack. Came to keep it a stack on my channel. Once again, welcome back. If you don't know me, I'm an option trader. I'm just here to give you some insight on what the market is doing. If you need an option trading group, my link will be in the description below to join the SelfMade Society. Without further ado, let's get right into what people have been making. Let's go back to Monday. This person, we was doing Amazon calls. Amazon, we got a quick pop, so people made some money on that. This person made $176. This person made $794. This person made $246. This person made, oh, that's the same person, $246. I think he posted it twice. This person, he paid $565. He got a return of $935. I'm talking about drop the bathtubs, bro. We wasn't watching Disney. I don't know what's wrong with bro. Okay, so he had 3 contracts with this Amazon. He profited $105. There's nothing wrong with that. My boy SelfMade Rail, he gave out the play 177 put. He made 805. He also ran a 520 put, which gave him 680 for a total profit of 1485. Let's go here. This person made 141 bucks today, or on that day. That was yesterday, actually. It's only Wednesday at the time of this recording. This person, it basically what's going on is we got caught in the bear market almost. Everything kind of reclined back up on the daily. It was a double bottom. It was a double bottom. My bad, y'all. That person made 302. This person came out with a band. I'm talking about, boy, smacking. He paid 204, came out with a band off a spot, bro. I'm talking about the market tanked. Somebody posted this Trump money. I love Trump money. This person made, what is this, 511. He spent 217. This person made 271, I believe. And this was off of the NVIDIA fair value gap. He's showing you what he made. He did a P&L of 237. He probably, what he had about 1,200 in his account. He had 731 available for use. He did about 18% of his portfolio, and then he kind of shows his setup right here as far as what he's looking at in the fair value gap. So you want to kind of enter low and resell at the high. Same thing right here. This person only made $15. I don't know what was wrong with him. He probably came late to the party or whatever. Here's another one. This person made $428. This person made $278. My group chat eating, bro. I ain't even gonna bat. It's a guy in here that made 10K in one trade. I'm gonna show you him. He paid $200 for this. Ended up with a return of $2,912. As you could tell, we get to the money, bro. Young and turnt. My boy Rail. This was earlier today. He did a SPX call. The market kind of ripped back up to the upside. I'm going to show you that as well. Everybody kind of got in on some calls. I like Microsoft. Microsoft moves pretty well. I do like Microsoft. He had 2 contracts for 430. Profit is 900. Completely doubled up on this play. I'm talking about free money in this stock market. Got it. This person, this is the guy that I was talking about. He was originally up to like maybe 80 bands, and I don't know, he overstayed his welcome, but he was down damn near 30 ball, but that's his own fault, bro. Honestly, nobody else is red. As you can see, we don't do red in this group. He ended the day with 6 bands. What was that? He had a overall totals 285 on the P&L day. I don't know why it says that he only made 285, but I guess I don't know, I guess he called in and jumped out. That was really it. Let's go here. You can see some of this trading strategy we use. We got supply and demand, key levels. It's always a trading recap when it comes to what we're dropping. Here, this was a bear flag. You can see this is the information. There's a flagpole. Boom. And that is exactly the same thing. Boom, liquidity. Right back to it once again. He's showing you this bear, just this pattern. As you can see, this is what happened, and then boom, that's what we got right here. So that was the entry point right there. Here goes day trade recap. Let's go back to the 7th, I believe. Look, load at Amazon 180 calls, switch to 182, filled at 236, 10%, 15%, 25%, 50%. Then he posts his what's going on right here. Same thing. Filled in and out, in and out, filled in and out, filled in and out. I don't know what else to show you. We got the pre-market where we come in at 9:30. We come in at 9:30, and then maybe 9 o'clock. We come in at 9 o'clock, and we also just talk about what we're looking at. Everybody can kind of chat and let everybody know what they're looking at. We got some long-term plays too. My boy SelfMade Rail is running chat right now. I'm just an affiliate. I make money too, bro. So you know what I mean. If that's something you're interested in, smash my link in the bio. Help a brother out. So I'm saying I'm trying to find this guy who made 10 bands. Look at this guy. He made $63 today. That was at 125. I think I got to scroll a little bit up in the SelfMade Society group. I'm going to show you this guy who made 10 bands. If you got any questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram at TaQuizaStack. Oh, here it is. I think this is one of them. He paid $14 for a contract. This is SoFi, $11 call. It ended up being $84. He completely 500% his account, $70. Green is green, bro. I don't care how you cut the cake. Green is green every time. Let's go try to find this guy who made 10 bands on that one trade, bro. Look at this person. This person he's up 9,800. I think this is a paper trading account, bro. That's a paper trade account. My homie made this off one con. I don't really celebrate paper trading, but if that's how you practice, that's how you practice. This person his account did 622%. Let's keep moving. This was an NVIDIA call, 571. That person profited $744. Same thing. This guy had 35 contracts at $256 a piece. He made approximately $1,800 on that play. Let's keep it moving. I know you want to see this. We're going to keep it moving. This is the group chat. We got to just be talking there. This contract was $37. He bought 4 of them. It went to 131. He had a profit of 378 total return. Today's profit was 438. So we got some banger plays in here, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. As long as you got an A+ setup, you can always win. Look at this guy. He was down maybe. Damn. I don't know why he did that, bro. I don't know why he did that. He got to get better with his in and out game. Okay, that was the day before. Let's scroll up. Look at this guy. This guy right here. And this guy in our group chat, he's up 3,800, 2,200, 8 bands off that play, off the Amazon 175 put. So you can see, bro, we all getting money in here. If you red, that's because you're red. You don't know how you're holding too long, bro. So if you want to know all of these strategies that we're using, which is you would come right here. We got strategies, trading strategies, educational videos, terminology, trading apps. Everything you need right here for you, bro. We doing it right now, folks. Let me see where bro at. I'm trying to find bro who had the 10 band play, bro. Where's bro 10 band play, bro? I think man, it's gonna take a little minute. But let's just go back to TradingView, bro, honestly. So this is my TradingView account. This is what my TradingView looks like. This is how I trade. I've recently been looking at the Hyatt. The Hyatt was a perfect entry, bro. Like, it was in this little range right here. This is the day. This is the day range 5-minute chart. It was kind of right here in this little demand area at 103. I believe people like buying this stock around $100 to $120, and that's just what's going on. So they bought it up. I don't know what Trump did, honestly, bro, but everything is up. As you can see, 49%, 52% CrowdStrike. I missed this pump right here. This is a mean pump right here. So I got a buy signal, and it ran all the way up until it was kind of over bought right here into this area, but it still kind of came into this area again. Netflix ran up $75 today. Crazy work, bro. Meta did 14%, 11%, 22%. This is Tesla chart. Let's go look at Microsoft. MSVT. Microsoft, bro. I don't know why it keeps cutting out, bro. What the fuck? All right, we're back at Microsoft, bro. Let's look at Microsoft. So Microsoft was kind of in this little demand area. You can see it bounced 1, 2, 3, and at this point it kind of took off. We came from 351 into 391. God dang, it ripped to the upside off Microsoft. That's maybe like a $40 move, bro, honestly. Let me go ahead and add woo. Let me go ahead and add that. Go ahead and add Microsoft to my group. Microsoft ripped to the upside. Everything that I look at rips to the upside. I like CrowdStrike. Meta did its thing. It was at this 506, and it ripped all the way into 587. Jeez, bro. I'm talking about Trump basically said he gonna hold off on the tariffs for like 90 days or whatever like that. So basically, we just ended the first quarter. We're going into a second quarter, so I guess we're back in a bull market. Let's go look at Bitcoin, BTC. Let's go look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin was kind of right here in this little area right here. And, you know what I mean? It was in this area right here, and then it shot all the way up. This is crazy, bro. What the hell did Trump say or do? But it's always a bull market until further notice. You know what I mean? The name of the game is buy the dip, sell the rip. You already know what's going on. It's been your boy Tequeza Stack. And if you need any type of, you know what I mean, mentorship, anything like that, feel free to reach out to me at Tequeza Stack. I like to keep it a stack on my channel. I don't do no faking, no flogging. Like I said, I'm a part of the SelfMade Society trading group. If you do want to join here, you want to start at the navigate and work your way down. Like I said, we do trade every day. You can come here to the dub section and you can kind of just, you know, pocket watch if you want to be a pocket watcher. You know what I mean? Ain't nothing wrong with pocket watching. Well, look at this guy. This guy's going dumb, dude. Look at this guy. He's made $79 on that, $1,500 on that. I was trying to find that guy. Oh, here he is. Here he is. Look, he made 10 bands, y'all. Look at this. We got members in our chat making 10 bands. He woke up to 10 bands. That's a 10 band play. It was on the 4th at 7:16. This is what he screenshotted. We got members making 10 bands. So join the SelfMade Society if you want to make 10 bands going into the future, man. This is in the past hour he made 10 bands. It's all good. Like I said, it's been your boy Tequeza Stack. I just had to keep it a stack on my channel.